2, 3, go. Shift third. All right, guys, as you saw on the title of the vehicle, adding a new car to the fleet, possibly for the girlfriend. She's getting a car, so I'm just gonna show you what it is. Boom! It is blue. We're going with the blue theme. It's a little 325i. Yeah, it's a stick car. Gotta teach her how to drive stick. It's decent. Just checked it out. We drove down here to Philly. Inside's not bad, could use a little cleaning, but it's a good car to learn stick on. This is having a little issue here, but fix that. That's easy enough to fix. So yeah, this car is gonna end up getting an LS swap, right? Maybe. It's gonna get an LS swap eventually down the line. Maybe an LS turbo. And then we'll have another blue car. All right, so here we are in the Beamer. The newest car to the fleet. Yeah, just paid for it, and now we are heading back. We got about an hour and a half drive. We'll see how this thing drives. I did test drive it. Everything seemed pretty smooth. It seemed pretty nice. So it's got a new alignment, new control arms, a lot of new stuff underneath. So the car is pretty good, and I like the color. It's a little lighter blue than mine. It has a little overspray in some spots, but we can touch that up. It's not a big deal. For Terri's first car, she's gonna really like this. It's gonna be a good car to learn stick on. So once she learns stick on it and gets used to it and gets a little bored of the power and comes up with some money, we can LS swap it, because why not? So we'll do another walk around when we get back, clean it up a little bit, and then we'll take Terri in the car and we'll show you guys how she does on her first drive. All right, guys, so it's time for the drive. Say hello. Cody's here also. We're heading out to a little car meet. Terri's gonna head to her first car meet and first time driving the car. Full disclosure, she did drive it over here. She did very well. And she learned stick kinda on the Eclipse before for a little bit. So this will be interesting to see how she handles the new car. So wish us luck. All right, go ahead. E-brakes down. This is the first test of my driveway, which is kind of a pain because we got a couple extra cars here. So we're gonna see how she does in reverse. That mirror thing's cool. Here we go, we're moving. We're turning. And we're back, and we're, and we stalled. Oh. See, now you got yourself kind of stuck. You gotta pull that way, it seems. Turn the wheel all the way that way, I think. This car being here is kind of in the way. Usually there's not a car there. Cody's already at Emiliano's.
I'm gonna bolt right into his car.
Are you in reverse?
Yeah.
Okay, you're fine. Just remember, ease out the clutch. You feel the clutch start to grab? All right, now a little gas. There you go. Gas. Oh. We'll get back to you. Take 3. Go ahead, gas. There you go, gas, gas. Stay on the gas. I swear she did better than this before the camera got out. All right, we're going forward finally. This hill right here is a pain. Even an experienced driver of stick would have a problem with this. Good, yeah. We're moving. Hey.
Is he laughing? Which way?
Right.
Tell him don't get really close.
He knows not to get close. Nice. Like a pro. Like I said, she had some experience on the Eclipse, so how do you actually like the car? You like it?
Yeah.
It's easy to drive, right? Yeah. Much easier than, yeah. Much easier to drive than the Mustang. She tried to practice on the Mustang a little bit, and that was a big fail. Big fail. So We're heading over. We're gonna go on a cruise, so we'll see how she does.
Oh God.
What'd you do? Forget to push in the clutch?
I don't even know. What am I in? First? I don't even know.
You're in first, yeah.
All right.
He gave you 40 feet, so. Gas.
Hold on.
You had it.
Shit.
And we're stalled again. What's that? We should. I'm gonna put a stall counter up in the corner of the screen.
Okay. Hold on.
We're on a slight hill here. Don't panic. Just let out the clutch nice and easy till you feel it start to grab. Okay. Now go for gas. Now ease out on the clutch. There you go. Gas. There. See? Easy.
Here's another one.
Oh no! Another stop sign. And we're first gear ripping it. We gotta go over the mountain.
I'm gonna wait for this.
And we're stopped again.
I have to wait for this coming.
Oh no.
Ready?
There you go. Oop. A little bog, but it's good. Once you're moving, you're good. All right, Cody. All right, here comes the first 40 roll. Start downshifting. Down from 5th to 4th, 3rd, 2nd, down to 4th, let out the clutch. You can use the brake too. Down to 3rd. Use the brake. Down to 2nd. Ease out on the clutch. All right, now the guy's pulling alongside of you. Ready?
Wait, I'm gonna.
Go a little lower. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Here.
Shift, 3rd. Oh yeah, we're pulling now. 4th. Woo! We almost did 80. If you have a car that's slow enough to race against 325i, stock 325i, comment down below. You could be her first race. We could get a race off if you're local in the area. Let us know. We're looking for runs. Heading to Mexico. That was fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's your first time actually like trying to drive a car fast. It's easier to shift when you're
than driving it slow.
Yeah. Watch this cop sit here a lot. All right, you're good.
Oh, there's too many people.
Go ahead.
Too many people.
You're fine. There you go. You don't need to panic about the people. People come around, complete panic. That's why we've only been doing back roads. But we're going through town just for the video to knock that stall counter up. You going left here?
Yeah, no. Where are you supposed to?
You could go straight to the stop, to the light, but you can go this way too. It doesn't matter. You're good here. Aw. I was hoping for stall counter. You're doing good. You're doing good. It's easy to drive it, right?
After second, once I hit second on, it's okay.
Yeah, first gear is always a problem for everybody.
Second is bad.
Yeah. Oh boy, 3-way intersection with
there's a
people,
cop.
and of course there's a cop. He's probably gonna pull us over. This is why I didn't want to go through town. But somebody just had to go through town.
He's not looking.
That's good. Is he coming after us? We don't have inspection stickers because we just got the car. It's, we don't have the stickers, so it's not. A little farther up. You gotta go to first. Well, second, then first. Just slow down.
Can I just roll in?
You can roll in.
I'm
Just rolling it in. Here it is, coming in hot. All right, well, we made it over here.
We did.
Here we go. Terry's first cruise. We got.
See how she goes.
Yeah, we'll see. I got a stall counter going on in the upper right hand corner of this video.
Do you?
Yeah.
Nice.
It was like a bunch of stalls in the driveway, but after that she did pretty good. That little hill got her.
Which way are we going?
I've got this way. Yeah. You just stall right there?
No.
I think you might have just stalled right there.
Stall. I turned it off. I didn't stall at all. Not even once.
Wow, impressive. So, Terry's first cruise in the books. Made it here. A couple people meeting over here. Yeah, you blew
They
it.
all came in late.
Huh?
They didn't come in. They came in late. You're like, hello. You're like, past the truck. I'm like, I did. Like 3 miles ago.
Well, we made it.
You did.
How do you feel about your first cruise?
I didn't stall.
Well, you stalled a couple times before, but
No, not on this one.
all right,
One time.
one time. Well, now we gotta add the sticker to your car.
I'm so
All right, so it is official. The girlfriend's now part of Mexico Rolls, full-fledged. And the best part about it, the glitter license plate. Who's gonna get gapped by the LS glitter license plate? But we're at the little cruise. I'll show you guys a little extra of people that showed up to the cruise. Got the Eclipse out.
That's a little far for me to drive now. I don't know.
I don't see him posting. He hasn't raced yet.
Cody. This is a nice RS.
Right.
Mariano's out here. A couple Civics. Tom with his wagon. This awesome LS or SS. It's a newer car. Jerome. Greg's out here. Dylan. Dylan's buddy with the Holden. Couple BMWs over here. Got Cody taking some pictures. And we got a Lambo. LP 610 Beautiful. And Dakota just pulled up. So yeah, little meet to sell some stickers and get out of the house because Corona is killing us still. We got Street Alliance pulling in. Brought a bunch of people.
I gave them like 4/10 of a mile to make that turn.
I'm like, why am I slowing down because this one?
Still pulling in.
That thing sounds so fucking awesome.
All right, guys, that's going to end the video here for today. If you like what you saw, hit that like button for me. Do me a favor. And yeah, if you have a car that you think can compete with this, it's a stock 325i. So if you have a car that can compete with that, comment down below. We would love to get a run-in with you guys. And yeah, we'll get her first race. That'll be awesome. This car is going to get an LS swap. I know I said it before in the video, but yeah, it's definitely going to get an LS swap once she gets used to it and gets bored of the power. Maybe put some wheels on it and some other things, lower it a little bit, make it look nice for now. And then towards the end of the season, maybe pull the motor and start an LS swap on it. So yeah, stay tuned for that, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks.